Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That a Weed. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be looking at the Nutribullet Blender versus Ninja Blender. Watch until the end to find out which is the best choice. So, the main difference between Nutribullet Blender and Ninja Blender is the design of the blades. Nutribullet's blades are smaller and more compact, designed to pulverize and emulsify ingredients quickly. In contrast, Ninja's blades are larger and more robust, designed for crushing ice and harder ingredients. Both blades are equally good, depending on particular use. Power. Ninja Blender has a higher wattage range of 1000 to 1500 watts, whereas Nutribullet Blender has a lower range of 600 to 1200 watts. The higher wattage in the Ninja Blender makes it better because it allows it to handle tougher ingredients and blend more efficiently. Capacity. The Nutribullet Blender has small to large size cups and pitchers. Nutribullet cups come in 3 sizes: 18 ounce, 24 ounce, and 32 ounce cups, while pitchers come in 2 sizes, 32 ounce and 64 ounce. On the other hand, Ninja Blender has a large size pitcher. Ninja Blender's cups are 18 ounces and 32 ounces, while pitchers range from 40 ounces to 72 ounces. The varying capacity of Nutribullet Blender makes it better, because one can choose the size that fits their need or space. Design. The Nutribullet Blender has a sleek and compact design, while the Ninja Blender has a bulky and tall design. Nutribullet Blender's sleek and compact design is better because it's convenient for storage and transport. Versatility. The Nutribullet Blender is suitable for making smoothies and shakes. The Ninja Blender can make smoothies, shakes, and crush big and complex substances. Since the Ninja Blender can be used for both purposes, it's better. Cleaning. Nutribullet Blender has a simple design and fewer parts that are easy to disassemble. On the other hand, Ninja Blender has a more complex design with multiple parts that are challenging to clean. Due to ease in cleaning, Nutribullet Blender is the best. Comparison table. The table shows that Nutribullet Blender has more advantages, mainly because it's more affordable and easy to clean. The sleek and compact design is also a significant advantage. Similarities. The two blenders have multiple speed settings, making it possible to adjust the blending speed, depending on the ingredients that you're using. Additionally, both are safe because they have features such as automatic shutoff and locking mechanisms to prevent accidents. Verdict. Nutribullet Blender wins this one because it has more significant advantages, like affordability, easier cleaning, and a sleek and compact design. Ninja Blender's greatest advantage is that it can handle tougher ingredients. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know in the comments below which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us. Thanks for watching.